Welcome to ByteFurther. In today's video, you'll learn what to do when your iPhone 7 won't update. So, you get the notification saying a new iOS update is now available. Then, you go to Settings and intend to download and install the update. However, there is no update available. Instead, some users complain they get an error message showing unable to check for updates. As a result, you get stuck on the old iOS without the access to the new feature or functions. There isn't a single answer for why you can't install the latest version of iOS. Some possible causes include software update compatibility, poor internet connection, low phone memory, low battery power, system glitches, unable to reach the update server, hardware damage, etc. Alright, now, follow the workarounds below in order until you solve an iPhone 7 not updating problems. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Check if the latest iOS is compatible with your iPhone 7. The phone company keeps rolling out several new operating system versions. From the official announcement, iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus can't update past iOS 15 and no longer receives the latest iOS software updates like iOS 16, 17, 18, 26 or higher. Currently, the latest released software update for an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus is iOS 15.8. So, if you want to enjoy the latest iOS but your phone can't support, consider buying a new phone. Step 2. Check the network signals. A stable and strong internet connection is vital for downloading and installing software updates. If you find iPhone 7 not updating and the download takes a long time, there might be something wrong with the network. It's advised to connect the phone to a Wi-Fi network instead of using the cellular connection. Don't use a hotspot and make sure the VPN connection is closed if any. After connecting to Wi-Fi, the next step is to test the connectivity. Open an app that requires an internet connection. If you find the app runs properly, it indicates that the device has already connected to the internet. Now, go to the Settings app again to see if iPhone 7 can install the software update. Step 3. Keep the phone charged. Battery power could be at the front of culprits list of why iPhone 7 is not updating. Generally, the battery state of charge needs to be 50% or above. Better yet, keep your iPhone 7 plugged into a power source during the iOS update process. And make sure no power save mode is enabled. Step 4. Free up 6 GB storage space or more. For a smooth iOS update installation process, your iPhone 7 requires at least 6 GB free storage space. If you find the device is running low on memory space, then the software updates may not load. The solution here to fix iPhone 7 not updating is to free up some space to run updates. Attempt to delete unused photos, videos, apps, old text messages or clear cache data in each app saved on your device. Once done, test to see if you can now update to the latest software version for your iPhone 7. Step 5. Try rebooting the device. Corrupted files in the system cache can cause errors, preventing your iPhone 7 from installing the software update. To clear the cache and refresh the system, try turning off the device then switching it back on. No data will be affected during the reboot. To restart an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, press the power key on the right side and hold it for a few seconds. When the red power off slider, let go of the button and drag the slider to the right. Your device should be turned off. After a few seconds, press and hold the power key again until an Apple logo appears and the device boots up. Once done, unlock your device, go to the Settings app to download and install the latest iOS again. Step 6. Resolve update errors. Find iPhone 7 stops receiving software updates because of an error message? Calm down, as we've all been there. Here are a few common update failure alerts. Unable to check for update. Unable to verify update. Unable to download. Your phone company has released a support page with solutions to resolve these errors. Just click the link in the description below to take a look. Or, you can directly move to the next solution, which is one of the official fixes. Step 7. Update iPhone 7 through iTunes or Finder. If you can't update iPhone 7 because the software firmware doesn't load at the list, consider applying a computer to install the update. This is also an official way to upgrade the phone to its latest software version. All it requires is a PC or Mac with iTunes, Finder or Apple devices app installed. Here, we'll show you how to update iOS on a PC using iTunes. First, launch iTunes and connect your device to the computer via a cord. After your device appears on the program window, click it from the toolbar. Locate the Summary tab, and click Check for Update. It'll then show you the latest software firmware compatible for iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus to install. Just click Download and Update and finish the on-screen instructions until the update process begins. Once the iOS update installation is complete, your device will boot up. Step 8. Reset the device to install the latest software. If the issue remains, your last resort before going to a repair shop is to perform a reset. It'll return your iPhone 7 to its original state while updating it with the latest iOS release it supports. As this will remove all your saved data and content, you'd better back up essential files before resetting. Once you're ready to perform a reset through the Settings app, here are the quick steps. Open the Settings app. Choose General. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Erase All Content and Settings, and tap on Continue. Choose Finish Upload then Erase or Erase Now option. To confirm, choose Erase iPhone and enter the passcode if you're prompted. Wait for a few minutes, and your device will boot up to the Hello screen after the reset. Set up the phone from scratch and it should be now running the latest iOS. That's all for how to fix an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus that won't update. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the ByteFurther channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.